Hey everyone, RoDev here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a safe zone inside your Roblox game. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and insert a part inside the workspace, and I'm going to call this part Safe Zone. And inside this part, you want to insert a script. Make sure it's not a local script, and it has this icon. Make sure it has this icon right here, and it's a script. And you want to name this script something memorable, like Safe Zone Script. And in here, the first thing you want to do is type local part equals script.parent. From there, you want to drop down and type part.touched::connect function, two brackets. Inside these brackets, type hit, and then hit enter a few times outside of this bracket right here. From there, you want to go ahead and type local plr equals game.players::get player from character hit.parent. Then you want to drop down a bit more and type if plr then local character equals hit.parent local h for humanoid equals character : wait for child, and in speech marks type humanoid. And then you want to type if h then drop down a bit more, do h dot health equals math.huge. This means infinite. And you also want to type h.maxHealth equals math.huge. This will make sure their max health and health are infinite. From there, you want to copy this entire thing, drop down a bit more after the last line, paste it in, and change touched to touch ended. And from there, you want to go down here to the two lines right here, and make sure they go back to normal. For me, that's going to be 100. And if you have a normal game where you haven't touched the health, it's going to be 100. So from there, we can go ahead and test out the game. But real quick, we need to make sure this part actually looks like a safe zone. So for that, we're going to change the brick color to green. We're going to scroll down, turn Can Collide off, and we're going to set the transparency to around 0.85. From there, you want to click it and press Control 3. You can also press Command 3 on a Mac. If you can't do that, go to Home and click Scale. And then you just want to scale it up and make sure it's like a little safe zone. For this, you can also use any of the Roblox parts. As you can see, you have a bunch of options right here. Any of these parts will work. So from there, your safe zone is complete. And once I hit play, we'll go and see what the health looks like. Now, immediately there's an issue that is very simple. Just go down and make sure it's anchored. That's because with Can't Collide off, it just falls right through the world. So we need to make sure it's anchored. Now the safe zone will be working, and once you're inside, you'll have max health. As you can see, when I walk out, I get a little bit of a damage effect. That's because it's putting me from infinite down to 100 health. And inside the workspace, we can go to humanoid and check out the health. As you can see, my health and max health is 100. If I enter, it's infinite, and if I exit, it's 100. So that's how you make a safe zone inside your very own Roblox game. Other than that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to RoDev. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.